Okay, so in today's class, let us perform the experiment number 7, which is characteristics of carbon and tungsten lamp. So for that, let us first concentrate on the circuit diagram as it is given in your lab manual. You see there are different components. Let us identify them first and then verify that from the circuit, which will be demonstrated right now. So you can see this is the auto transformer or the variac, which will able to provide 0 to 230 volt AC voltage. Okay, so this is the variac part, the corresponding experimental setup. So with this variac, you can increase the voltage from 0 volt to 230 volt. So here we can go at the most 270 as it is seen from the variac dial, but we'll go for this particular experiment till 220. Okay, so this is your main. From here, this is your 230 volt 50 hertz source, which will be going to variac, and from that variac it will go to your circuit. This is the point where the variac is connected. Okay. So next is the rheostat. So you can see from the circuit diagram, from variac it is going towards rheostat, which is a variable resistance. So this is your rheostat, which is shown in the panel. So it is internally connected, so it is having two terminal. You can see from here. Earlier also in the beginning initial classes it was shown there are two terminal, one is here, another is there, and this is connected at the back side of this board, which you can see from the front side like this. So this is the minimum position and that is the maximum position. So you can vary between these two points, right? This, as you can see, this is your tungsten lamp and this is your carbon lamp, right? And we are using total 2 voltmeter. 1 voltmeter is connected as it is shown across the variac. So this is this one, this is your V1, which I have connected across the variac like this. So these are connected in parallel. I have connected this voltmeter parallel to auto transformer or variac, because auto transformer is connected at this point, right? Then the other voltmeter, which is voltmeter 2, this is connected between rheostat and the variac. Between rheostat, this is your V2, one point of the rheostat, other point is the variac. So in between two, I have connected this voltmeter 2. This is your voltmeter 2, which is connected like this. One terminal of the rheostat, other terminal is the terminal of the variac. So this is the two terminal of your variac, right? Then other two are the ammeters. This is the ammeter A1, ammeter reading A1, which is connected for the tungsten, right? So I have connected in series with tungsten. You can see that through rheostat I have connected the ammeter, and then ammeter is going to the tungsten lamp, and from tungsten lamp it is returning to the terminal of the variac to close the circuit, right? In the same way, I have connected another ammeter, which is actually taken in the milliammeter range, because through carbon lamp very low current will be flowing, so it will be easier for us to read if we use milliammeter range ammeter. So we are using that. This is our A2, and that is connected in series with your carbon lamp, right? So you can see that from rheostat again we are connecting this ammeter 2. This is our ammeter 2, and then ammeter 2 through carbon lamp, and carbon lamp 2 as it is returning to the terminal of the variac. Okay, so this is how we are preparing the circuit. Okay, once more I am demonstrating, starting from the variac. This variac output is there. Then from variac to rheostat. Then from rheostat, one terminal is going to this voltmeter, which is measuring the drop across the rheostat, and through this we are closing the circuit. Like this. From rheostat, one path will go to the ammeter A1, and through ammeter A1 to tungsten lamp, and then tungsten lamp to variac. Similarly, other terminal from the rheostat, from there is one another ammeter, which is ammeter 2 for carbon lamp. So from this ammeter we have connected in series with carbon lamp, and from carbon lamp it is closing its circuit at the terminal of the variac. So this is how we complete our circuit. This is all about the circuit connection or preparation of the setup for the experiment. Okay.